What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So one of the most requested videos that people asking me to do is the camera review or the camera comparison between the LG Wing and the LG V60. Look, man, both of these devices is King Supreme of 2020. LG have done a fantastic job on both of these devices. But let's put these two head to head and see which one is King Supreme. Now, I do two dedicated videos on this YouTube channel. I do a dedicated daytime video and a dedicated nighttime video. But this video right here is all about the daytime. Check out my YouTube channel, subscribe, and make sure you hit the notification bell when I drop that nighttime video. All right, so before I start this video, let me go down and clean the camera lens because there's no excuses here on this YouTube channel. I clean the camera lens on all devices before I go out and shoot my videos. Also, I'm not going to use the gimbal mode here on this device. I'm going to use the regular camera app on both devices in auto mode, just point and shoot. Also, I'm going to do some slow motion and I'm going to do video. That's what I'm talking about. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go.
The Chosen.
All right, guys, so here it is, the LG V60 and the LG Wing. Wow, love both of these devices. Both of these devices right now is in auto mode. It does have pro mode on both of these devices, but this is in auto mode. Let's go down and do some focusing. I'll show you guys something here, right? The LG V60, and I'm gonna tap the focus on that plant, and as you can see, it focuses. Look at that background. Nice and blurry background, that good bokeh effect. Look at that. Beautiful on the V60, beautiful. Let's do that with the LG Wing. Let me tap the focus right quick. There it goes. Look how creamy that background is. Beautiful bokeh in that background. Just absolutely gorgeous bokeh in that background. All right, so. all right, let's get back. See where you tap the focus? All right, so here it is. Woo, I love both of these phones, man. Now, it's a very cloudy, when I'm doing this right here, it's cloudy, so it's no blue skies today. And I'm out here early in the morning. I'm gonna go audio from side to side so y'all guys can hear it. But let's go in and walk optical image stabilization on both devices. So you're gonna get that smooth effect. All right, so let's go on and do my favorite part of these videos, and that is the zooming in. So let's zoom in all the way, 10 times zoom on the LG V60. And let's go 10 times zoom on the Velvet. All right, and look at that. Which one is cleaner? Let's see if I can tap the focus on that. All right, see, V60. Tap the focus on that. It's nice and clean. Tap the focus on the Velvet. Looking good. All right, let's go back. Whew. Man, that's what I'm talking about. Yes, indeed.
The Chosen.
All right, so this is the front-facing camera on both of these devices. Now look, the background is white. It's no color in the sky right now. So I want y'all guys to see this. And I talked about this in another video, that the wing really takes a little while to start giving me some color. And the same thing is happening here, especially in the daytime. But you be the judge for yourself. I'm trying to pull it out as much as I can so I can get both devices to kind of get me in frame. It's a little difficult because the pop-up camera on the wing is on this side, and the LG V60 is right in the middle. So I'm trying to make my adjustments accordingly, but here it is. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about both of these devices in action. Woo! See you guys on the next video. Peace.